So let's just talk about like tools that you use on a day-to-day basis. I mean, obviously you're talking about, Meta Business Portal, you're talking about the Audience Insight tool, but I mean, on a real day-to-day basis, is there any particular software that you think that you would not be able to do what you're doing without having
Oh,
access to?
100%. I mean, as far as tools, like the first main thing is Slack.
Mm,
So that's how our entire team communicates, right? It's like before Slack, I don't know what people did, right? It's like I can't. It's kind of like I can't imagine like what people's work looked like with pre-computers or pre like like anything like that. Slack is the number one tool that we check every single day. We communicate every single day. Just like pretty much direct messages, to form different channels, right? Gmails. We use a tool called GoHighLevel. So that's a software. It's fascinating. It's really really well built. I think it was started probably 6 7 years ago. For agency owners, that anyone that offers paid media as a service, right? It's like Facebook, Instagram ads. It's I would say it's a must. It's especially for uh, especially for lead generation, right? Um, but yeah, that tool allows you to two-way text leads that come in, two-way call, two-way email, track your pipeline, opportunities, all of it. We use it as CRM. We use it for our clients. All of our clients get built one. Yeah, a lot of software, a lot of tools.